Some phenomena that science still can't explain. Humans have traveled to the moon and uncovered the secrets of the Taos hum, the devil's kettle, and maybe even the pyramids of Egypt, but there are still plenty of phenomena that science can't explain yet. Though scientists may have theories about the following phenomena, no one can say for certain why they occur. Here are mysteries of life that still stump experts everywhere. Scientists aren't sure why people yawn. Yawning is something you likely do every day, but, oddly enough, scientists still aren't sure why. Recently, the scientific community has moved toward the idea that yawning is a thermoregulatory behavior that cools down the brain, but its true biological function is still unclear. What's more, scientists aren't entirely sure why it's contagious among social animals such as humans. A 2005 study published in Cognitive Brain Research found that the networks in your brain responsible for empathy and social skills are activated when you see someone yawn. Researchers have also observed that chimpanzees can catch yawns from humans. No one knows why Saturn's North Pole has a swirling, hexagon-shaped storm. At Saturn's North Pole, there's a weather system the size of two Earths in the curious shape of a hexagon. The storm was photographed and observed for years by NASA's Cassini spacecraft, but it remains mysterious. The only other naturally occurring hexagonal shape scientists have found is in crystals, so they have no idea how Saturn's storm came to look like this. To make matters more confusing, the storm appears to have changed color, shifting from turquoise to yellow over just a few years. Humpback whales have gone from being solitary creatures to living in supergroups, a shift marine biologists are still trying to suss out. Humpback whales are ordinarily solitary, but they have begun to feed in packs of 20 to 200 off the coast of South Africa over the past several years, according to a 2017 study from the University of Pretoria. Marine scientists aren't sure why the nature of this ancient creature has changed, but there has also been a rise in the population of humpbacks, so that may partially explain this change. There's no explanation for these curved trees in the Dancing Forest in Russia. Nicknamed the Dancing Forest, this area in Kaliningrad is filled with pine trees that are contorted into spirals, rings, and other configurations. They were planted in the 1960s and are the only tree species to ever do this. According to Atlas Obscura, some theories include extreme winds, unstable soil, and interference from caterpillars. Some locals call it the drunken forest. Scientists understand how cats purr, but they're still not sure why they do. For a long time, cats' purring mechanisms were an unsolved mystery. According to the BBC, it's now widely thought that the muscles around the feline larynx constrict, creating a vibration that makes the classic purring sound. But the reason cats purr at all is still debated. One hypothesis is that purring promotes bone growth, because the vibration frequency leads bones to harden in response to the pressure. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.